Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about the health benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. So, let's dive in. 1. Skin health. Aloe vera is known for its skin healing properties. It can be used to treat sunburn, wounds, and other skin irritations. Aloe vera contains a compound called acemannan, which has been shown to promote skin healing and reduce inflammation. Apply aloe vera gel directly to the affected area for best results. 2. Digestive health. Aloe vera can also improve digestive health. It can help relieve constipation and soothe the digestive tract. Aloe vera contains enzymes that aid in digestion and can also help reduce inflammation in the gut. Add aloe vera juice to your diet to improve your digestive health. 3. Immune system boost. Aloe vera can also help boost your immune system. It contains compounds called polysaccharides, which have been shown to stimulate the immune system and help fight off infections. Add aloe vera juice or supplements to your diet to improve your immune system function. 4. Oral health. Aloe vera can also promote oral health. It can help reduce inflammation in the gums and prevent gum disease. Aloe vera gel can also be used as a natural mouthwash to freshen breath and promote healthy teeth and gums. Conclusion. In conclusion, aloe vera is good for skin health, digestive health, immune system boosting, and oral health. Incorporating aloe vera gel or juice into your daily routine can help improve your overall health.